Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today I'm going to clean a throttle body in my Honda Civic 2007 SI. Let me show you what I'm going to clean, and then we'll go from there. Hopefully none of the screws broke because the screws are rusty. So open 1, 2, 3 and the other one is down there. 4 screws to open this throttle body. You have to clean it with the throttle body cleaner. So let me show you what I'm going to use. So this is what I'm going to use: CRC, throttle body and air intake cleaner. So without any further delay, let's start. First thing first you have to disconnect the battery. I know there is not much time left, it's getting dark, so I have to do it hurry. This is what I'm worried about. Might lose something and never find again in the engine bay. That's the problem here. But anyways, let's just we'll need a plier as well. Yeah, finally. Takes forever. As you can see, the throttle body is quite dirty, and also this is damaged. Unfortunately, that's the issue. I don't have the new one with me. I did not bought it. I did not thought that I'm gonna need it. So now I'm just gonna clean this and put this back, since it's already getting dark. So yep. That's gonna take forever, guys. If you don't have enough equipment, proper equipment, this thing could take forever to do it. So before you start doing it by yourself, cleaning throttle body, make sure you have all the equipments that you're gonna need. because you don't know what you're going to be needing, because sometimes something does not come off which they're just supposed to come off like easily. So let's just, without any further delay, not gonna waste my time, clean this immediately. This should be it, and let's just start and put this thing back. As you can see, come on, focus. Yeah, that's the problem now. When I need it, this stupid thing does not focus. Oh yeah, I pressed the accidentally button, so that's why it was not focusing. Still black, but I did clean it, so I probably have to do it again. Say that I should have bought the new gasket before opening it, because it's a lot of work. So now I'm gonna just put it back, and let's see how the car perform. So alright guys, so I put back everything. So now time to put back negative cable and tie this up. And check this out guys, let me show you the light I'm using. See that? You guys have watched the review of this light on my channel as well. This is from AMARAN. It has a magnetic mount, as you can see. Very easy. If you work on the car, it will be much help with this. But I do have outdoor light, and yeah, and this is with this light. So that was pretty helpful, especially this light. So everything is done, everything is connected. Let's just start the car and see. The only thing I have to buy, which I just see that it's missing, let me show you. See that there is one screw that needs to be put on. It was not there before I opened this, and I need to get this grip also, and that's about it. So let's just start the car and see how it's going to react of the throttle body, and I have to do the relearn as well. Yeah, so I'm gonna actually wait and do the relearn in a little bit. Alright guys, first start after cleaning the throttle body. So let's see. Come on, focus. This is the alright. So I have to enter radio code. It was I think 46511. Alright, I start doing it again. As you can see, throttle is moving up and down. So it's gonna actually do the idle relearn. So I think I have to hold it on 2000 RPM for like 3 minutes, and I'll get back to you guys. Alright guys, so idle relearn is complete, but still, as you can see, it still moves upside down, and now it actually started to move more, because as I mentioned that the throttle body gasket was damaged. So as I said, I have to probably buy a new one and put the new one on to make sure it runs properly, and yeah. So yeah, that's about it guys. Hopefully you learn something from it before you work on your car. So if you do like and subscribe my channel for more videos. I'll probably guys see you in the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.